Welcome everyone. The hunt for WIMPs and solving the missing mass problem. Yes, this is the topic of discussion in today's video. So WIMPs, full form of WIMPs is WIMP. Okay, so full form of WIMPs is weakly interacting massive particles. Massive particles, okay. Weakly interacting massive particles. So this is the full form of WIMPs. This is what actually? This is a kind of hypothetical particles. This is actually hypothetical particles because still there is no practical evidence of these particles. And these particles are considered as the prime candidate for dark matter. If you have some idea about dark matter, you know dark matter has made up almost 27% of the universe. Okay, and dark matter is not detectable directly. Means through telescopes, dark matter is not detectable. Okay, still not detected by any instrument. And since reasons are there, of course, because dark matter doesn't emit, absorb, or reflect light. That's why. But evidences are there that there is some mass, and amount of mass is enormous, but we cannot see those mass. And as a solution, WIMPs is one of the solution to the problem of dark matter. Means these WIMPs are considered as the prime candidates for the dark matter, and that's why this is a missing mass problem, since it is still not detected. So according to the theory, so you know, if you have some idea about dark matter, then you can easily understand that means WIMPs, these hypothetical particles, should interact with gravity. Okay, and according to the theory, possibly these hypothetical particles, interact through weak nuclear force. Okay, weak nuclear force. There is a chance, means possibly they interact with weak nuclear force. You know, photons, they interact through, photons interact with matter through electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic force, okay, better to say electromagnetic force. Again, if you talk about neutrons, okay, in the nucleus of any atom, neutrons are there. So neutrons, they interact with matter through strong nuclear force. But these WIMPs, these hypothetical particles, do not interact either through electromagnetic force or strong nuclear force. Okay, so they interact with matter through gravity, and that's why we have been able to detect the presence of those unseen mass known as dark matter. Scientists call this as dark matter. Okay, and to explain dark matter, this hypothetical particle is the requirement, and scientists are trying to know the existence of this particle, and for that purpose, deep underground, they have placed one experimental setup. Inside that chamber, materials like xenon is placed. Okay, xenon, you know, xenon, that is also an element, and it has nucleus. Okay, so in the hope that if these particles, if interact with the nucleus of xenon, then our instruments will be able to detect them. In that hope, they have placed. And why deep underground? Because just to shield that chamber from cosmic rays. If cosmic rays also interact with the xenon or the WIMPs, then detection might become impossible. Okay, that's why they have placed the experimental setup deep underground, just to shield that experimental setup from cosmic rays. And one more thing is there, another attempt is to use particle colliders. particle accelerators like Large Hadron Collider. What is done there? Their particles are smashed together in the hope to create WIMPs. Okay, particles are smashed together in particle accelerators like Large Hadron Collider. There are so many particle accelerators in the world. Anyway, so these two are attempts in the hope to find the particles. Maybe according to the theory, these are very small particles and maybe trillions of particles are passing through you, but you don't know them. Okay. Anyway, so this was all about, and reason is what? Why scientists are doing these things? Why they are finding this particle? Just to explain the dark matter. And in the process of finding the particle, we are knowing in depth about the universe. Whether really the particle exists or not, but in the attempt to detect the particles, means I am talking about WIMPs, scientists are being able to know many things about the universe. Okay, that is one advantage. Okay, or that is the positive point of such experiments. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic, WIMPs. Okay, weakly interacting massive particles. Okay, so this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video.